Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Everdream Just Plays. We're here today because I wanted to do a quick video for you guys. Um, so I have a 2020 CRV. This is going to be applicable to basically any car from like 2014 to 2020 where you have plug-in Android Auto. But the Honda is what I have. I looked for a lot of fixes for this and I never found one on any website. I went between Reddit. I went to, Twitter. I went to YouTube. I searched and never found any solution to this. So I am hoping to be the first to post this solution. So the problem is your Android Auto disconnects when you plug it into your car. On the Honda CRV that I have, you plug your phone into this left port, and that's what gives you your Android Auto. And we plugged in multiple phones, multiple cords. They would all do the same thing. Um, they would randomly disconnect, especially if you move the phone around. So, like if the phone jiggled in the cup holder, it would disconnect. Sometimes it would still be charging, sometimes it wouldn't. Initially, we thought it was a bad USB port. We had that changed, nothing happened. Same thing. Brand new USB port, brand new phone, brand new cord, always disconnected from the car. It turns out that this is actually a design flaw in the USB C connector. And the way that it connects to Android Auto, I guess, is kind of what my research has led me to. So the way that I solve that problem is I actually have a product recommendation for you guys. So this is the Motorola M1A wireless car adapter for Android Auto. I'm going to have it linked below. Um, it is an affiliate link, so if you purchase from the link, it helps me out a little bit with my medical fund for kidney failure. You can also Google it and find it. I've tried many, many cheaper versions of this. They were all terrible. Every last one of them had interference, would disconnect or didn't connect at all randomly, sounded terrible, like really tinny coming with the audio coming through. This one is by far the best that I have found, and it is now quite a bit cheaper than when it first came out and quite a bit easier to find. So, check out the affiliate link below. All you do is you plug this into your port where your Android Auto normally plugs into, and you sync your phone with it like a regular Bluetooth device. There's a button on it that you press, and that button that you press links it to your phone, similar to anything else. And when you get in the car, instead of linking to your phone, you link to this, and it gives you Android Auto. So, one thing I would recommend though is when you buy it, you get this sticky gel pad. Here's what it looks like in the box. You get a sticky gel pad with it that isn't very good. So I would get the Velcro 3M uh, stickies, and I will have those linked below as well, so that when you purchase this with my link, it'll be in the same link. You can buy them. Um, but the gel pad doesn't stick, especially to textured surfaces. Like it wouldn't hold it up. So on my CRV, we have it stuck to under here just with some Velcro stickies, so it's not in the way of this little tray that's here. But that's the only fail really that came with it was the sticky pad kind of sucked. So buy this product, buy the sticky Velcro, plug it in there, sync your phone to it. Never have a problem with your Android Auto disconnecting again. Worked on both my Ford Edge and my Honda CR-V. I have two of these. Thanks, guys, and have a great rest of the day.